Hello all, welcome to channel for trading. Today we are going to see the stock selection and the chart analysis for tomorrow's intraday. Due to technical glitch in audio, this is the third time I'm doing the live. The first time when I did the live, I got to know there is a problem with the audio and I stopped it. Second time the entire thing was complete, and then when I was hearing it again, I got to know the problem is not resolved. So this is the third time. So I fixed it now. And if there is any small problems in the audio, I'll be fixing it in the next session onwards. Sorry about that. So let's get started. The first stock for tomorrow is Cipla. You can see I do my stock selection analysis with 1 hour time frame, and I do take intraday trades by looking into 5-minute charts. So this 1 hour time frame is only for stock selection I'll do. Okay, I thought of making that clear. Okay, so Cipla, I have drawn the levels here. You can see there was a good downfall and then the stocks recovered, and you can see here this as a support. What I have drawn here, 789 levels. In this 1 hour time frame, it is not that clear that why I have drawn this as the target, 789 as SL, buy above this 791 level, and these two are the targets. For better clarity on the targets, I will move on to 5-minute time frame. Here you can see there was a downfall and then there was a retracement, then it was a heavy downfall, right? So this could be the first target. There will be a huge resistance in this area. That is why I have chosen this as the target, 802. And once this is crossed, then you can see this area where this price continuously was moving in this region, right? There was a good consolidation kind of, and it took off but could not sustain. Then again it came back. So you can see once this is broken, the huge candle was huge red candle was here, right? So this looks like a good support previously, and it can act as a resistance now. So these two are the targets. So this is how I have chosen these two are the targets for this position. Okay, so this is one stock for tomorrow. And let's see Colpal. Yeah, I have drawn here the Fibonacci retracement also. You can see the levels I have drawn from. Okay, this is, let me move on to the 1 hour time, then it will be a little more clear. Yeah, you can see the Fibonacci I have drawn from this level till here, and you can see the stock has moved above the 0.236 region of Fibonacci levels. That means if the stock was on a retracement and if it has to continue the downfall, then there are higher chance like 0.236 it will touch and it will take a U-turn from there. But it did not happen. It crossed that level. So I'm hoping this will go for you can go for long in this stock, Colpal, and 0.382. I'm not seeing much of candle here in this 0.382 region. So I'm assuming this level may not play a huge role here. Instead, this 0.5 region, right? This is always a crucial level, 0.5 in Fibonacci level. Whenever the stock is moving upwards or it is coming down, 0.5 level in Fibonacci is very much important, all the case, right? So I'm keeping my target a bit below that 0.5 because 0.382 we are not considering it as major levels, and above that is our first target, 1566. Once it crosses, then 1572 will be our second target. So this analysis is based on Fibonacci levels also. Okay, and you can see this levels I have drawn based on the support it was taking here, and the second target I have drawn based on the Fibonacci level of 0.5 region. Let's move on to the IRCTC stock now. I hope everything is going fine. Okay, so here you can see IRCTC, it has taken a good support region here. The stock spent some considerable amount of time here, around 3 hours. It continuously traded in this region and then it gave a bounce to the upper side. And I'm going bullish for this stock, and this is a valid trend line, and this can be you can take this as a second confirmation if you want to be on the very safer side. Otherwise, for me, if the price is opening above this level tomorrow, I'm going for long, and my target would be this 1455 region, and my second target would be around this region. I will not take that high, so I think this one would be a nice target. 1481 would be the second target. Okay, so that is IRCTC for tomorrow. And then let's look at Marico. Marico, we have two scenarios. One is on the buy side and one is on the sell side. And if you see the Fibonacci also in this case as well, we should take it. Yes, we will take it from here. Oh man, sorry about that. Fibonacci retracement. Yeah. Yes, you can see here clearly the 0.382 region, right? It cannot be exact, but around that region it is not very far away, right? It has taken the negative side, and again it bounced back on 0.236 region, and it is trading between this. That is the reason I have chosen this levels. Either it has to go above the 0.382 levels, or it has to come down below the 0.236 region. This region played a major role because you can see this acted as a previous resistance. That is why. But in the case of coal pal, we could not see such kind of area there. Hardly any candles were there on that region, right? So here, this level above, you can go for buy, and the target can be 408, which I have drawn in this line, and below this one you can go for shorting, and the target can be 392, this one. So this is the level for shorting, 397, and this can be the target for shorting. And if it is coming heavily down, and I won't be surprised because this rejection is from 0.382 region, and if it is coming sharply down, I won't be surprised there will be a new low beyond this point, because that is how the downfall will continue. It will take a level from the Fibonacci, and it will, because that will be just a retracement. This movement will be considered as just a retracement because these levels acted as resistance, and the downfall will continue. So watch out for this stock. Mostly you will get opportunity for buying, I think, because either of this level, I'm hoping that this will break on the top, but if it is coming down, I think the downfall is going to continue, and you can see nice targets. Okay, so these are the stocks for tomorrow for intraday. keep a watch on these, and tomorrow we can review these stocks, how it performed. Yesterday I was not able to make a video, so that is the reason we are not doing any performance analysis on the previous day stocks. We did a stock analysis for Monday, and in that video, 2 of the stocks we were given for sell, and both the stocks achieved the target. You can see the previous levels which I have shared in Telegram channel and Twitter handle. So in those stocks, 2 of them performed extremely well, other 2 did not perform, and mostly you will not be able taking a trade also in that, because the levels were not achieved for any of the buy or the sell position. So it was a good selection on Monday also. I couldn't make video on that, so I just shared the chart with these levels marked in Twitter and Telegram channel for Monday's intraday. And yesterday I could not make a video or a chart posting, so today we are doing it. So tomorrow when I'm doing the live session, we will analyze these stocks, how it performed. Now let's see on the Banknifty side. So the famous channel, whatever we have drawn here, the wedge, the rising wedge channel, we were observing this for last 1.5 weeks when this channel was drawn, and every day we were seeing, okay, this price is moving up. It was not in a mood to give a break down, because it is a rising wedge and it is higher possibility of the price breaking down this channel. And finally it happened, and you can see how beautifully it has moved till this point. Okay, kind of a crash you can say, because it was such an amazing trend on the upside. So a fall like this was expected, either at this point or somewhere down the line. Some downward movement was expected, but this much was expected, I'm not very sure. Maybe till this point, yes, it was expected, but beyond this level it was not. And now it is coming as a retracement. So if this level is again acting as a resistance, then you can see some more movement here, but I'm not expecting the price to come below this low. So it will be kind of if it is acting as a resistance, then you can see the sideways market for tomorrow, and on Thursday it will be a power packed action for the expiry, if tomorrow is a sideways market. So that is my view on Banknifty for this week expiry, and let's see tomorrow how it is going to be. And for Banknifty, if I have to say, yeah, this will be the major level tomorrow. You can see price, if it is forming a price action near this point of either downside, then you can expect a sideways market. If it is crossing this level, then it is going to be again trendy, but chances are very less. If it is moving high, then 30,000 will be the next resistance level. Okay, that is my view on Banknifty. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. And if any of you have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and join the Telegram group and also the Twitter handle. I'll be posting updates on Twitter as well as Telegram if I'm not able to make a video on YouTube. So please subscribe to the channel and be part of the community. Have a nice day. Bye bye.